Have you ever seen the pyramid of Egypt? Okigwe is like the pyramid of Egypt, but it's filled with money because we give you opportunities through agriculture, technology, and fintech. If you can register now, your life is going to transform.
Okay.
So are you aware that if you register with Okigwe and you make a deposit of 500 Naira as your initial capital, Okigwe will give you 5 billion in 5 minutes.
5 billion Naira with 500 on the spot.
I swear to God.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, please make sure to watch to the very end because this is going to be very, very interesting. You get? So make sure you watch to the end, drop nice comments, and share my video. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombari nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
So hi, what's your name?
Why are you sitting on my man? Why are you sitting on me?
What?
Can't you see you're sitting on somebody? A titled man like me. You are sitting on me.
God, sorry, I beg. I don't see you.
You sit on me? Will you find on something?
Sorry.
What an insolence.
Can you imagine?
Young boy, how are you?
Uncle no get Gary.
Where the father of this boy, please? Can you imagine this boy? I won't condone this from you.
I'm the father of the boy, any problem?
Okay, well done. Can you imagine this boy?
Please, I don't have Gary.
This thing touch me. Hey, what did make you feel say that Gary carry me come this place? What's? Bros, please. I crave your indulgence, please. A minute, please.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Bros, the level of insult I receive from this vicinity is alarming.
It's okay. Good day, sir. Please, now you don't insult and defame someone's character like this.
Imagine!
But when I no get Gary.
Jesus. Bros, what's going on now? Now they do collabo for the street. What's the problem now?
I was only trying to solicit.
Bros, please out of this place. Let me know who I'm handling, please.
I was only trying to help.
Out. So now no get Gary.
Who is this man in the first place? Okay. Can I get up for who will cash at hand? Not for who won't buy credit.
Oh, that's what you should have said. You open up for shouting. Why you shouting?
Let's have it.
So the one way on the sell for credit when he go come.
See why this small boy they insult you.
It's okay. I've received enough. It's okay. Let me just cry and go. It's okay.
Yeah, boy.
This thing really pay me.
Daddy, go inside before thunder fire you.
What did you just say to me?
I said go inside before thunder fire you.
Me?
Come see rain is falling, and I stole that storm. Daddy, you better come inside. Let thunder not fire you, Jerry.
Thunder fire.
What are you guys in here? Please come in. You guys are very, very lucky.
Thank you, sir.
You must be the son of a praying mother. Yeah, let me lift you guys to the front. You know that Ojukwu Shanu, Yoruba say it means that it's I that see I that
Thank you, sir.
Let me play some music. So that you know. Yeah, so what's your name? Oh, Ira! I love her so much. You see, my 8-year-old daughter, Tolani, Oloman play for me. But I love her. I love her.
I love her too.
Are you stupid? What do you mean by you love her so much? That's what people used to do. People used to support infidelity. What do you mean by you love her so much? You not get wife? You're listening to a woman, you're saying, I love her so much. You have wife, you have daughter. You want to do this thing to man.
So, my name is just music, huh?
It's just music.
This girl, she get anger issue.
God, people are covering up for each other. You are telling me.
I'll get part when I come down.
It's just the music now.
Shut up your mouth. It's not just the music. Which one is just the music?
Yeah, please calm down.
We come down. Kind of infidel. So filthy.
Bros, I beg now. I will ned you. I will nod you. Leave my car. Young man, I use God and escort you. Abombe.
Anger issue.
Nah, as you don't go now, what you want to do now?
I'd rather trek than dwell with sinners.
Lie yourself. I've been a dog. You see Mumu?
Jesus!
You see Mumu?
Jesus! That's how I die, you.
Solo.
Bros, please excuse me. Excuse me. How are you?
Very fine. Sir, have you by chance heard about Okigwe Financial Upliftment Program?
What's that one again?
Okigwe Financial Upliftment Program is a financial institution with the target of raising billionaires out of Africa. Okigwe has been existing for the past 7 years. We started in Burkina Faso, we went to Congo, we went to Rwanda, now we are currently in Nigeria. Our target is to raise 40 billionaires out of Nigeria. You might be lucky we are starting with you. It's a money elevating program.
That's nice.
So listen to me, Okigwe puts you in a circle where financial resources flow and you tap greatly from those financial resources. We create an existing relationship between you and money. We create you in a chain not to build wealth constantly. What Okigwe does, have you ever seen the pyramid of Egypt? Okigwe is like the pyramid of Egypt, but it's filled with money because we give you opportunities through agriculture, technology, and fintech. If you can register now, your life is going to transform.
Okay.
So are you aware that if you register with Okigwe and you make a deposit of 500 Naira as your initial capital, Okigwe will give you 5 billion in 5 minutes.
5 billion Naira with 500 on the spot.
I swear to God.
How is this going to be reliable when there's problem in Okigwe? How do I make money in this your platform?
The problem in Okigwe does not affect Okigwe Financial Upliftment Program.
If I give you 500 now, you give me 5 billion.
Try yourself and see.
Hey, I was a black belt out.
We are in business now.
You rise. So this money is not refundable. Now you have opened an Okigwe system. What you need now to move you from level 1 to level 2 is 2 people.
You didn't tell me this when we started this thing now. We were bantering each other. Now you didn't tell me.
Success comes with different surprises. But if you can bring 2 people now, you open your door to 5 billion Naira.
So if I give you 2 people now, we are good.
Just 2 people.
Osaka! Mingo! 1 or 2 come.
They bring 2 people.
Mommy, see you.
Oh yeah.
So you have 2 people.
2 people.
These people are average. 5 billion Naira is not an average amount of money. In Okigwe, the size of the people you bring actually matters. So for you to establish or unravel and unveil the 5 billion, so I need 2 big people.
Okay, big people.
Yes.
Emma, Scorpion. There you go. Shall we?
So they are too big for Okigwe. You know, let me be honest with you. In the system, we don't credit you 5 billion once. We start small. We'll give you 2 billion first. After 3 minutes, we'll give you the remaining 3 billion. So what is going to happen? To activate the 2 billion, which is a smaller amount, we need 2 small people.
So we should trace the deposit from the grassroots.
Yes.
Odogu, Achalugo.
When I'm coming out, I look so virtuous.
All of them do.
There you go.
Sashi, let me be very transparent with you. Okigwe is a fair program. Our activities are fair, our transparencies are fair, and the way we deal with our client is fair. Now, for it to be part of this fairness, you need 2 fair people.
2 fair people.
Yes.
And we are good.
If you don't have 2 fair people, we cannot be fair with you.
White. Chinedu.
They play the show every day.
So you have 2 short people. 2 big people.
Yes. 2 people.
Obviously.
And 2 fair people.
They are here.
For the struggle.
He gets them.
Jesus.
She's squad. Everybody there.
Let's take back your 500.
What's the problem now?
Okay, leave me. To get 2 people.
Well, I go cry. Don't worry.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Have you forgotten what you did to me?
I said I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? And what are you doing here?
I'm a changed person.
I said it is over. I'm no longer interested.
Azan.
You forgot what you did? You slept with 2 of my best friends and I caught you. What did you do? You call your friends to beat me up.
No, see, babe.
Women are scorpions. They are vampires.
Women.
They are fucking animals.
I've changed.
I've moved on. You better move on because me have moved on.
If you've moved on, me, I've not moved on. I love you.
So
I
they
still love
play.
you.
They play.
Mom.
See, my mom is calling me. But because of the love I have for you, I will not take this call.
You better pick that color because it doesn't concern me. You drop it, it's your mom. It doesn't concern me.
I'm sorry.
Please, no noise. My mom is calling. I need to pick it. It's very urgent. Hello, mom. I'm doing great. Don't worry, I go send an after. When I finish what I do now, okay? I love you, mom.
They are come, this boy. You they mad? I be they crazy. Maybe they get conversation, they pick mama call. Yes! So me not pick mama call. I be no lover. I be she know the important.
Mommy say me no pick your mama call.
Are you playing?
You don't grow wings, Abi.
So I should drop my mother's call because of you. You as who?
You don't grow wings.
Wait, I thought you say you've changed.
Now listen.
I don't change before, but right now, you change me back.
Now, wow.
You don't get respect again. I will show you who I be today. You know me now.
Yeah, I pour you spit. I pour
Hello,
you
babe.
your face.
Babe.
You know day. That bastard, you don't disrespect me again, oh. Same location. When I floor.
Attack.
She never ever changed. She never ever changed.
What's up with this now? Okay, not the tea call me like that.
You calm down. You know my woman. So, call me.
Okay, bear, see me, you know they trust me like that.
Which car to be this one now? You say you want to see me?
The thing be say, I don't tire for this relationship. Year to year, go no come. I don't tire. And 2, somebody don't call see my father say won't marry me.
God forbid.
I don't want to see you again. This relationship not over.
Tuja, you lie. You lie. No fit happen. It's not possible. What did they saw? Relationship for many years. You say you don't marry me. You won't go marry that man. Yeah. After they invest on my feelings for this relationship.
Now feelings I want chop. How many years now we don't dey together? Oh God, I beg you. I don't tell you what I won't tell you.
Let's go roll. Let's go roll. No. Tuja, so you say you go leave me now, but you want
I don't leave you since.
For another man. Tuja, you go hear my story, oh. You go hear my story for this time, Tuja. Tuja, you go watch me for TV. You go watch me for national television. I go to go global, so then at the global TV, you go for the see me, Tuja. Now police go to escort me. Mark this thing while they tell now police go to escort me. I'll get driver, they go to drive me. You hear me so? While I'm not there, oh. Now God there, I go punish you about your new husband.
5 years later.
Where do you thief? Why ya? Where do you thief? Why ya? Where do you thief? Why ya? Where do you thief? Why ya?
Breaking news, live on LPC News. My name is Delma, and behind me is a young man caught in the community stealing wire.
How be solo be this?
You know him.
Now my ex be this now. Get my phone.
National TV.
Where do you thief? Why ya?
Where do you thief?
Answer your call.
Hello?
Hello, Solo. You see I go to watch you for national TV. Now you are the watch, so. Hey, Omo, you don't blow. So now thief you the thief now.
I can't take it anymore.
Hello? Hello? Oni, I dey come.
Wait, go laugh out.
So, young man, you were caught thieving wire while your mates are doing cash milling.
No man, this is Nasboi. They made they do wire. They go people come and go they thief fire. Very useless boy.
Do you regret your actions?
Sometimes I regret, but most of the time I don't regret.
So what is your advice to those young thieves looking at you now, having the intention and the boldness to also come and steal? What do you have to say?
My advice for thieves out there watching me is that crime is not good. Stay away from crime. Do not steal. But if you must steal, make sure you have plan B.
Now today we go plan your B.
Make sure you have plan B.
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. If you can't do the time, don't do the crime. Reporting live on the LPC News. Thank you so much.
So really tossing a police one day escort him. So na creep prison they can't escort you go. Help.
And true police escort him. True police now escort him.
Sunshine. It's been a while. Hey, sunshine. Your Uber broke down.
Who does that one?
Don't. That is my boyfriend. Your boyfriend? Sorry. So what are you doing in my estate?
My boyfriend also lives in your estate. So.
Oh wow, that's nice.
We on our way to the market, so I wanted to like tidy things, cook for him, you know.
Cook
for my guy now.
What did you talk?
Are you still doing that stuff we did back then in school? Are you still cooking for a guy? Emeka, where you cook for many years, he married.
Jesus.
Now wow, you need to wisen up. Now Lagos we dey. Take a good look at me. I know they cook for guy. I cannot cook for any guy. Come on now. I wish you luck anyways. Bye.
Let's go.
Babe, you're back.
What's the meaning of all this now?
I didn't know you'd be back so early.
My friend be fast, Jare.
Hey! Be ready soon, okay?
Nonsense.
Opportunity na once. And the other one now, we don't take her. This is where they come on in a spiritual.
Wait, that was money, dollar. See, Gary, Uncle Madman, take Gary, give me money. Pepper, it's pepper. Give me pepper. Take food. Food.
This guy Mumu. 600.
My money. My Gary. Be taking you for 600 years.
This guy Mumu.
I forget. She bring the shop make it. What of granuts? That is okay. You don't want to do okay. You do okay. I can sit down. No need. Wait till I want to. You don't take time. You just sit down. See what happen. And the one I know that lady meeting. I don't late. And you go just take all this one for me. So what you do now? You just sign here. This place, just sign now. Nobody just sign. You know you don't need that. I don't feel it down.
Sana.
Landlord, no one. I mean, I'm not your ring.
Oh, well, nobody. I go lie for you.
You don't say, I will see you said you play something.
You say what?
Ah, landlord, they cannot sound.
What's wrong? No, what they like here. Next time I'm going to say school has come. You know if you want to say Pluto na lie. No, not this as well.
What did they call right?
The tip is say, you know, as a Babylonian, they go apart, they destroy people as here. A landlord, innocent landlord are going through a lot. You understand? Now, a landlord and landlady not come together. Come say, make all tenants declare, say they are not kidnapper. They are not cultists or ritualists. Not so Bible now. He asked where they say kidnappers stay, if they destroy, cultists stay, if they destroy, ritualists stay, if they destroy, whether or not they there, so not be there. Now make up with the declare. Go your
landlord has an office sign.
You said?
I know they sign.
You sign!
Landlord, I know they sign, and I something I join. I want to do something we join. Yes. We join something, not me so they sign.
You don't start that thing. You not join anything.
Members.
How go you are member? I'm not joining anything. Pluto start this thing now. Okay, see. Let's do this. I'll reduce your rent. Oh yeah. I got it better later. This already says now. Get home and abroad. Pluto sign here. Pluto, I beg, make a return for you. No. Pluto, you they always hold me. Have I for sure you look at me? Have I really do you back? No, you they already do me that daughter forgive you back to back? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, sign. Go your. Now
I'm office sign.
Oh, Pluto! Why you the process mess? Where you they go?
We'll get it to know. Yes,
will you stop down? I get what?
I'm going to pay for juice.
I'm going to pay for juice. The class say you not join calls.
Landlord, I not join calls, but I join something.
Pluto! Oh, Jehovah, Pluto, that they go. Oh, wow, fair.
Pluto don't make a landlord a cry.
You don't say to me now, I will not be afraid to lose my house. Last when I use the whole test in them build, I go. He says, Salasi, don't buy no. Make you look into this matter. Not be say anything at today now. Go talk back come. Say hello, I'm kidnapper, give me house. They not agree what that they do. We are innocent. Make they trace the person property, anything we get. Even go reach account, freeze the account, collect her. You start doing give away for charity. Even mama and papa not they know what their children they do nowadays. We are all innocent. Talkless a landlord for house, we can give. Now I will come. Hey, Pluto, I beg.
I know that one is so.
My message is pass. My message.
You the one.
Okay. Ooh. Well, this day home sharp. This one gets stressed right around. My message is send me Momo.
The work is done.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? So they send the Momo message. You carry the dollar, go they do this thing. Gonna do competition, but anyways, that was okay. See, there's something I want to say, and it's about that Pluto stuff. You get the Pluto own. You know that's where we say person. You go catch person say he be kidnapper or something like that. You can't destroy the house where they stay inside. It's a very big message because sometimes this guy is staying rented apartment. The landlord no go know wetin the person they do. You go come tell and say you be businessman. If you go verify, you go be say you get shop. There's no way in the world he will know you are also a kidnapper. You know they're possible. You get. So please, they should be lenient. Try to know who the person is. Try to know the properties this person have, you know, and go for it, not for somebody else's properties. You feel me? So that's just it. Well, whichever way, please stay out of crime. Stay out of crime, and do not let, just like this guy own. Broda Solo own. Please do not let peer pressure lead you to crime. You get. Don't let peer pressure lead you to crime. You understand? That's just all I have to say. So what's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. You feel me? subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.